Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with international news around the world. PM Imran Khan, Iran's President Ibrahim Raisi talk on phone. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Sunday called the newly elected President of Iran and congratulated him on winning the Iranian presidential elections. Pakistan's coronavirus positivity rate nears 3%, active cases go over 33,000. Pakistan reported 1,347 new cases of the novel coronavirus in the last 24 hours, marking the fifth consecutive day of 1,000 plus daily new cases. Biden marks independence from COVID-19, but pandemic remains a threat. President Joe Biden celebrated US Independence Day on Sunday with an upbeat assessment of a country he said is roaring back to post-pandemic life, even if COVID-19 has yet to be fully vanquished. Australians trapped in coronavirus vaccine hunger games, says top health official. As supplies get scarce in Australia despite the growing coronavirus pandemic, a top health official admitted that getting vaccinated in Australia is like the Hunger Games. 25 dead in Myanmar clashes between army anti-junta fighters. 25 anti-junta fighters and civilians were killed during clashes with the military in central Myanmar, villagers said on Sunday, as locals increasingly take up arms against the regime in the co-wracked country. Death toll in Philippines military plane crash climbs to 45. The number of people killed in the Philippine Air Force plane crash on Sunday has reached 45, which includes civilians on the ground, the Department of National Defense said. Afghan forces plan counteroffensive in northern provinces report. Afghanistan government forces plan a counter-offensive in the country's northern provinces after losing ground to the Taliban. Russia's RIA news agency cited an advisor to Afghan President Ashraf Ghani as saying on Monday. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself. Please share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.